Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled between the hills, there was a curious girl named Lila. She had a heart full of dreams and a head bursting with questions. Her best friend was a multicolored parrot named Pico, who could mimic any sound he heard. Lila and Pico spent their days exploring the forest, playing by the river, and dreaming up fantastic adventures. One clear night, as Lila and Pico were stargazing from the hilltop, they noticed a star twinkling more brightly than the others. "Look, Pico, that star is sparkling like it's got a secret," Lila whispered, eyes wide with wonder. Pico squawked in agreement. Suddenly, the star began to fall, leaving a trail of golden light. "Make a wish, Lila," Pico chirped, flapping his wings excitedly. Without hesitation, Lila closed her eyes and wished, "I wish to have a magical adventure." The moment her wish was spoken, the golden light enveloped them, and they were whisked away. Lila and Pico found themselves in an enchanted forest where everything glowed with a magical aura. Trees whispered secrets, flowers sang melodies, and the air was filled with the sound of laughter. They met a friendly gnome named Tinker, who told them the forest was under a spell, and only someone with a pure heart and a brave soul could break it. Tinker handed Lila a shimmering crystal and said, "This crystal will guide you to the heart of the forest. You must place it on the ancient stone to lift the spell." Determined and excited, Lila and Pico set off on their quest. They navigated through mazes of ivy, crossed shimmering streams, and solved riddles from talking animals. Along the way, they made new friends, like a playful squirrel named Nutty and a wise old owl named Sage. As they reached the heart of the forest, they saw the ancient stone glowing softly. Lila placed the crystal on it, and a brilliant light erupted, lifting the spell and restoring the forest's magic. The trees danced, the flowers sang louder, and the magical creatures rejoiced. "You did it, Lila," Pico squawked, flying in circles around her. Tinker appeared and thanked them for their bravery. As a reward, he granted them one more wish. Lila thought for a moment and wished for the enchanted forest to remain protected and happy forever. With a twinkle of magic, they were back on the hilltop, looking up at the starry sky. Was it a dream? Lila wondered aloud. But Pico knew the truth. He still had a golden feather from a magical bird they had met. From that night on, Lila and Pico continued their adventures, knowing magic was real and that they had the heart and courage to find it.